Hello everyone. Through this video, we are going to discuss about question number 8. That means problem number 8 of exercise 2.2 of the chapter of linear equations in one variable. Now let us check what is given here. The question is, three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. So let us find these numbers. We have to find these numbers, okay? The first thing should be noticed is consecutive integers. What are consecutive integers? In the previous video already I have explained to you. So consecutive integers means what? If one number is x, the other number will be x plus 1, then after the next number will be x plus 2, and that way it will go on. So these three consecutive numbers we have to assume as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now these integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order, that means consecutive integers can be of the form x, then after x minus 1, then after x minus 2 also. But in this case, what is given? The number should be taken in increasing order. Increasing means what? One number more, then again one number more. In that case, I mean x, then x plus 1, x plus 2, in that way. So when these numbers are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, that means respectively means what? The first number should be multiplied by 2, the second number should be multiplied by 3, the third number should be multiplied by 4. After this multiplication, they add up to 74. That means their sum should be 74. So we need to find these numbers. So what they are saying? The numbers are to be assumed as x, x plus 1, then x plus 2 because they are to be assumed in increasing order. After that, the first number should be multiplied by 2, the second number should be multiplied by 3 and the third number should be multiplied by 4. After this multiplication, we get here twice x. Now in this case it is thrice x plus 1 and in this particular case it will be 4 into x plus 2. So after this multiplication we get the terms as twice x, then thrice x plus 1, then after we get 4 x plus 2. After that, according to question, what do we get? When these products are added, the result obtained is 74. After that, using this condition, we have to find the numbers. So what we have to do? We have to add these three products, which will be equal to 74. So ultimately, we are getting an equation here. On the left hand side, when simplified, will be getting reduced, and that will be equal to 74. So on reduction, whatever equation we get, that has to be solved for getting values of x. Once we get values of value of x, then we can evaluate x plus 1 also, then after x plus 2 also. So evaluation of these values of x, x plus 1 and x plus 2 will be respectively giving us these three consecutive integers. Now let us look at this explanation part. These are the steps to be followed. Let us check what are the steps. First thing is what? The consecutive numbers are to be assumed as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Next is when ascending order of the numbers is followed, then x, x plus 1, x plus 2 should be respectively multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. So that is what already I explained to you. X should be multiplied by 2, x plus 1 should be multiplied by 3, then x plus 2 should be multiplied by 4. it is given that sum of the resulting products is 74. That means the sum of this one and this one, these three products, sum of these three products will be equal to 74, and that is what written here. Twice x plus 3 into x plus 1, this is the second term, I mean the second product, plus 4 into x plus 2, this is the third product, that is equal to 74. To solve this above equation to get the answer, so solving this we can get our answer. Now let us look at the solution part. So as we discussed already, first of all we are considering the three consecutive numbers as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2 in the increasing order. That means the second number should be bigger than the first one, then third number should be bigger than the second one. So according to question, sum of these three products should be equal to 74. While finding out the sum, twice x, then this will become thrice x. That means partwise multiplication here. 3 into x will be equal to thrice x, plus followed by this plus sign, then 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Then after 4 into x is equal to 4x, followed by plus sign because this is the plus here. Then 4 into 2 will be equal to 8, which is equal to 74, which is already present in the right hand side. While summing up this twice x, then thrice x, then 4x, in total how many x's? 4 plus 3 plus 2, it will be 9. 9x plus 3 plus 8 will be equal to 11, equals to 74. Now we have to make 9x independent of 11, and for that from both the sides we have to subtract 11. So after the subtraction on the left hand side only 9x will be left, while on the other side 74 minus 11 is 63. Then after, for making x independent of 9, both the sides should be divided by 9 and 9. So 9 is getting cancelled here, only x is left behind, and on the other side on cancellation this result is 7. 63 divided by 9 will be equal to 7, and hence x is equal to 7. So after getting value of x as 7, we can get the remaining two consecutive numbers also. So x is equal to 7, x plus 1 will be what? 7 plus 1 equals to 8. In place of x I am putting 7. Then again here x plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2. In place of x again I am putting 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, and so these three are the answers.